Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Frank. Welcome to Series 5. On this series, I'm just having a bit of a test on this series. Try and make it a little bit more flexed as well. I just jumped on this 158 from Bristol Temple Meads. And I also went from Plymouth to Bristol Temple Meads. And on the train, I met KTV. Who was on the train, who can't remember where he's actually going today, but he's going on the Manchester Piccadilly train, I know that. Then the first to leave Newport here is 158957 off to Cardiff Central from Portsmouth Harbour. This is one of the 1127 Great Western Railway goes to Cardiff Central from Portsmouth Harbour, 158957. Now off to Cardiff Central from Portsmouth Harbour. We'll probably see that again sometimes this morning or this afternoon. Welcome to Series 5, Episode 1. And I'm at Newport. I'll be soon going down to Cardiff to film there as well. Welcome to Series 5. Next trip I'm also planning is... I'm planning maybe to go up to Reading and... London Paddington and Ealing Broadway. KTV Videos got in touch with me and he's invited me to come up to London with him, so that also should be very good fun as well. So welcome to Newport, guys. Hope you enjoy the video. We'll be seeing services from Arriva Trains Wales, Great Western Railway and cross country. We might see a little bit of freight, but I don't think we're going to see any rail tours today. So I will turn the camera on if I do hear about a rail tour anyway. Hope you enjoy the video, guys. Please like and subscribe. And the next trip here is the 11:20. No, this is the 11:30 departure. Guess what, guys? It's the green set, 43187 and 43188. And it's the green set. A nice way from the driver. On the front is 43188. I'm quite happy to see this actually. I didn't think I'd see this today, but I have. Yay. I've been see this for a while. So even though you've seen it as well, but I think it's been waiting to see it for a while. And the next to come through, it's not a rail tour, it's an MPV. I don't think I'll see this today at all. This is quite a good day for me today. There's a lot of freight here at Newport as well. I thought that was a steam train in the tunnel. I thought, I'm not expecting anything today, but there you go. There goes the temper, and there is 43188 and 43187 off to Swansea from London Paddington. The thing's just about to depart. Oh God, I just missed a lovely two-tone from the driver. And here goes 43188 and 43187 off to Swansea from London Paddington. Yes, and another two-tone, lovely. Thank you from the driver. Thank you very much. There's a train coming through here, but I'm not sure what it is, so I'm just going to have the camera this way for a second. I thought I can have it this way, so I have to keep an eye behind me. The green set's got some really nice interior in it. Oh! Arriva Trains Wales 175 coming in. Now, 43187 Swansea from London Paddington. And here comes 175112. Arriva Trains Wales service. Not sure where it's guys, you have to sort of bear with me at the moment with the Arriva Trains Wales services, because half of the names I cannot pronounce, so I do apologise. I might give a couple a go. so I might just quickly walk up to the top of the platform and just take a few pictures of that Tampa up there, or MPV, whichever. And the next train to depart here at Newport platform 3 is 11:38 Arriva Trains rail service. I think it's to Manchester Piccadilly, but I'm not sure. Like I said in my first or second clip, I'm not sure which clip this is. I'm not necessarily going to pronounce all of the destinations or where it's from. And there's also Network Rail MPV over there as well. I'm just going to go quickly get some pictures of that. The next train to arrive at platform 2 here at Newport is the 150. Oh my god, I'm terrible. 158242, and this is going to form the 11:49 Great Western Arriva Trains rail service off to somewhere I can't pronounce. Oh, and oh, nice 375, thank you. Thank you very much. And then oh, and another tone. Oh, this is tone heaven here. The driver really likes me. Yeah. DR 98960. It was 910 on the front. I'm not sure where this is off to, but it looks like it's on a rail clearance where water just falls out onto the track and it cleans the track. I don't think it's water. I think it's like a chemical that falls out onto the track to give the train more grip. But that is now off somewhere I don't know. So I'm going to go down to the other end of the platform to film that 150 down there. There that goes. And the next train to depart is the 11:52 Arriva Trains rail service to somewhere by Cardiff Central I can't pronounce. 150242. There's also Arriva Trains rail 175 coming. There is 175104. And that is come from somewhere where I'm not sure. There goes 15242. Here's 175. Hang on, might take a second. 175104. And this will form the 11:54 Arriva Trains rail service. Arriva Trains rail service to somewhere where I can't pronounce. It's going to be like this for most of the clips here. Oh my god. There's this class 66 coming through. Oh god. Guys, this is my day. There's a class 66 coming through. Let's see if we can get some tones. 166 424. A nice two-turn up the driver. 424. Somewhere I don't know. It's quite a long train. Yeah, so it's going quite well. We've seen an MPV, and now we've seen 66424 in direct rail services delivery. I think it's a pretty good day for me today. I mean, I'm in luck. It's like KTV videos, and he's recently gone up to Bath, Spa and Swindon. 43002 Sir Kenneth Grange seems to follow him round a little bit. And it seems 43032, which I don't think I'm expecting today, seems to follow me around Plymouth quite a bit. So there you go, there goes that 66. And there goes the 175104. I've remembered the video. I've remembered the number, sorry, not the video. Probably from Manchester Piccadilly or something like that. And there goes the DRS class 66. Looks like they'll be going down to Cardiff Central a bit earlier than I thought. I know that that service is going to terminate at Cardiff. Let's see, 175 104 and 66 424. And they're both off to Cardiff. Who's going to win? Who's going to win? Who's going to win? Well, the next stops for these two will be Cardiff. So I reckon this 175 is going to win. So obviously 66 is holding a few hundred tons of cargo. So I imagine 175 104 will win. Okay guys, it's time to say my goodbyes now. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'm just about to get in fact, I think I'm just about to get this train coming in here down to Cardiff. Then I'll be filming there as well. Let me just turn off the camera a second.